Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. DaVinci Resolve have a lot to offer, but this could be very difficult with so much to choose. In this video, I will show you how to separate, split or unlink audio from the video using DaVinci Resolve. This method can work in any DaVinci Resolve version. In this demo, I am using DaVinci Resolve 17. I just downloaded a video file from Pexels.com. Let's drag the file in DaVinci Resolve timeline. Remember, when you drag video, it should be selected to edit window. By default, it is normally goes to the cut window. Normally, audio and video files are selected like this. So if you move one, they will move together. And some cases, you just want to use audio or video. If you need to separate audio or video from the file, the process is very simple. Just click on this arrow icon up here, or if you couldn't find the arrow icon, just drag your mouse and select it like this and right click the video clip, and the next step, just untick into the link clip. The audio and video are linked before and it is unlinked now. Now you should be able to separate the audio and video. Feel free to delete your audio or video or just copy the parts you want to use for any video. I hope this short video describes how to edit, split or separate audio from video. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until then, take care and see you.